Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I got 30 inches. Literally, like, let me show you. Don't mind my shirt, I just wet it when I was wetting my hair, but look how long this is. So much hair, so thick, but I love how it turned out. So this hair is from Yolissa hair, and I'm pretty sure I've tried this hair before. It looks really familiar because I have reviewed Yolissa hair before, but never in 30 inches. And this is exactly what it is, 30 inches. And it's their water wave wig. And look at how pretty. Where did they get this hair from? Who did they shave this from? But I love how it turned out. And if you guys want to see me recreate these edges, I saw them on Tay's page and I really wanted to try it. And so that's what I attempted to do. So if you guys want to see how I got this look and these edges, then keep on watching. So I went ahead and already did the wig cap because it's the same thing, and this side's bothering me. I don't know why. We're just gonna leave it. So I already put my foundation on the inside, and let's just measure it to our head. I think I got a medium size wig cap, so it's a little, I don't know why, but it feels a little bigger. I'm gonna cut behind the ears. And clean it up, so I'm gonna go in with Ghost Bond. I've actually really been liking it. I don't know why I didn't like it in the first place, but it kind of redeemed itself. It is shinier than Bold Holds, but it's been working good. So now I did 3 layers, and we're gonna match these dots to those dots, the usual. That actually fit better than I thought. So much hair, oh my goodness. I don't think I've ever had this much hair on my head. Just gonna pin it up to make this easier. I've been really liking this method, so before I cut the lace, just letting the glue melt a little bit better into the skin and just wrapping it like this. Just for like 2-3 minutes or something. Back in a couple minutes. Okay, now time to open it. If you have like an elastic band, it is better, but I don't have one that's big enough to tie around my head without giving me a headache. Okay, and then now when we cut, it doesn't lift as much. I'm actually really happy with the placement. I was so scared that I might have made it too close, but no, we're good. It's weird with wigs, like you have to go closer than you're comfortable with, because the way like I don't know, like with your braids and stuff, if you start the wig like really close to your hairline, it's gonna make your forehead look even bigger because your braids kind of lift it. So it never looks like the best if you do that. Let me know if you guys like these longer type of install tutorials, or do you guys like the quick ones? Alright, and now I like the placement, everything. I'm just gonna go ahead and glue whatever is lifting around the perimeter. So there it is, all flayed and flat and everything. And now for the baby hairs. Okay, so what I'm trying to do with my baby hairs is like this right here. Oh my gosh. Okay. So he posted this a week ago, and it's his India Love inspired baby hairs, but they're like messy, a lot of baby hairs and messy and stuff like that. So I'm gonna attempt to recreate it. A really good way to find like where your baby hair should be placed is try to make like a V type of thing. Like when you see people's hairlines when they have like ponytails, they always have like less hair here. And that's where the baby hairs go, and then it kind of goes like that kind of shape. So don't do like all of it straight, it doesn't look that natural. Just try to mimic your own hairline, honestly. Sides, it's like bigger sideburns, and then with your sideburns you always want to go in like a diagonal angle, not just like straight like this. This looks more natural. And the thing with baby hair is like don't cut them too short right away. Because you can't make it longer after if you don't like how it looks. But if it's longer, we can always cut it later. Alright, now let's attempt to create this. I'm just using some mousse. I would never recommend using gel for this. And then we'll cut it shorter, but I'm just trying to shape it now. Alright. Let's just lay this and then we'll fix it up later. Alright, I'm just gonna let this chill for like 5 to 10 minutes and then I'll be back. Okay, so I kind of hot combed it to make it flat while I was off camera, just because my battery looks like it's about to die and I want to make sure I can get everything else in. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, this looks so good. It looks so good. I just gotta fix it up a bit, but the vision, it came true. I wanted to fix my part like this, and I'm just using the Murray's beeswax. This is so good. Okay, now I just gotta cut these. Now I'm just gonna wet the hair and mousse it up a bit. And there we go, we are all done. I really love how it looks. It's exactly how I wanted it to look, and I'm actually surprised that I got it as close as possible to Tay's. I'm not at his level yet, but you know, we're getting there. I feel like this is a pretty good try. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this install and little edges tutorial. This is a lot of hair. Like, I wet my shirt, but like, look at this. It's crazy. And I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, comment below what you'd like to see next, and make sure you guys subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you guys next time.